Liam is a 17-year-old boy who lives in a cozy suburban home with his family. While his life appears comfortable on the surface, Liam carries a heavy burden he's too ashamed to share. He feels isolated and unhappy, hiding a secret that weighs on him daily. Despite his loving parents and supportive friends, Liam struggles silently, fearing judgment and rejection. Liam's secret is that he has ADHD, attention deficit/hyperactivity disorder, which makes it difficult for him to focus, stay organized, and complete tasks. He feels different from his peers and worries they'll see him as less capable if they find out. To mask his struggles, he avoids participating in group projects, procrastinates on assignments, and often feels overwhelmed. His grades begin to slip, and he feels increasingly frustrated with himself. One day, his basketball coach, Mr. Carter, notices Liam's struggles on and off the court. After practice, Mr. Carter asks Liam to stay behind. Liam is nervous, thinking he's in trouble, but Mr. Carter speaks to him with kindness and understanding. He shares that he, too, faced challenges growing up and reassures Liam that it's okay to ask for help. Mr. Carter suggests that Liam talk to the school counselor, who can provide strategies to manage his ADHD. At first, Liam is hesitant. He's afraid of being labeled or treated differently. But after some reflection, he decides to take Mr. Carter's advice. He meets with the school counselor, who helps him understand ADHD better and introduces him to tools and techniques to improve his focus and organization. Liam also learns about accommodations, such as extra time on tests and breaking tasks into smaller steps, which make a significant difference. Encouraged by the counselor's support, Liam opens up to his parents. Though nervous, he knows he needs their help. His parents listen with empathy and assure him they're proud of him for seeking help. Together, they work with the counselor to create a plan to support Liam. He starts using a planner to stay organized, sets reminders for assignments, and practices mindfulness exercises to improve his focus. As Liam begins to implement these strategies, he notices gradual improvements. His grades start to rise, and he feels more in control of his life. His teammates and friends, noticing his positive changes, offer their support. Liam realizes that his ADHD doesn't define him, it's just one part of who he is. He learns to embrace his strengths, such as his creativity and ability to think outside the box. Liam's confidence grows, and he sets new goals for himself. He dreams of becoming a graphic designer, combining his love for art and technology. He works hard in school, joins an art club, and starts building a portfolio. His parents and teachers cheer him on, celebrating his progress and encouraging him to keep going. In his senior year, Liam faces a new challenge when a younger student named Noah joins the art club. Noah is quiet and struggles with self-confidence, much like Liam once did. Remembering his own journey, Liam takes Noah under his wing. He shares his story and offers advice on overcoming self-doubt. With Liam's encouragement, Noah begins to thrive, discovering his own artistic talents. Liam's story inspires those around him. He becomes a mentor to other students facing similar challenges, showing them that it's okay to ask for help and that everyone has unique strengths. His journey teaches him that adversity can be a stepping stone to growth and self-discovery. After graduating high school, Liam pursues his dream of becoming a graphic designer. He excels in college, using the tools and strategies he's learned to stay organized and focused. He continues to mentor others, sharing his experiences and offering support to those who need it. Liam's life is now filled with purpose and fulfillment. He's proud of how far he's come and grateful for the people who helped him along the way. His story is a testament to the power of resilience, self-acceptance, and the importance of reaching out for help. Liam knows that his challenges have shaped him into the person he is today, a compassionate, determined, and inspiring individual ready to make a difference in the world. If you enjoyed this story, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.